If you have pets, you're ultimately responsible for them, even during a disaster. Just adding a few items to your own Go Kit will ensure you and your pet have everything you need to make it through any disaster. Each of your pets should have their own carrier with medical records and a 2-week supply of food, water, and medication. Even pet-friendly hotels and shelters will want to see proof of your pet's shots. Ask your vet for a copy of your pet's records, including any of their disease results. Be sure to include proof of ownership for your pets, like a recent photo of you with your pet. Include any special instructions for anyone else who might be taking care of your pets. Don't forget to bring waste bags or a litter box, litter, and a scoop along with cleaning supplies. Having all of the items you and your pets need ready to go at a moment's notice can make a big difference in how quickly you're able to react to a disaster, whether you end up staying at home, at a pet-friendly shelter, or evacuating. Use a list of items that can be found in the Pasco County Disaster Guide on our website, mypasco.net, or in the MyPasco app to help you put together a pet-inclusive go bag.